What's up, guys? Alright, we're back on Mr. Malusi's boat, and I am gonna climb in the console this morning and start doing the switched wires. I'm gonna get all these terminated on my terminal block, and then also these, and I'm gonna climb in the console and do it because I don't want to be like this the whole time. I'd rather be like this, I guess. We'll see. Oh yeah, I'm in. Oh, this is much nicer. Okay. All right, I'm situated. I am situated. This is nice, actually. Don't tell anyone that it's nice. Alright, now that I know where I'm terminating all these wires, I can pull back all my labels I put on them and chop off the excess, and then I'll get them all laid out nice. This is just the part that takes a long time, but it's what separates a crap wiring job from a good one, because everything will be organized. And there's nothing better than having organization when you're 10 miles offshore and you have a problem. You usually can somewhat figure it out if you got at least one brain cell and everything's labeled to see what's wrong. Unfortunately, not everyone has that one brain cell, so there's only so much I can do. Oh yeah, hopefully that's it, because now that's it. One time I did this and all my labels fell off. Very upset, if you could imagine. All right, we'll get going. Yeah, just gotta do that 7,000 times. Oh yes. All right, got the switch side of it done. Now I gotta work on putting all the load side and the grounds for them. Have it split, you know, that good stuff. Oh man, can't feel my feet. Look at this. Oh man. Oh, my spine hurts. Oh yeah, that sucks. Oh yeah. Tug. Oh. Alright, I got all my labels just stuck in the amp right here, so I can easily get them on the wire. Now I'm going to connect everything like this. When I try and measure this stuff, I kind of know like where the wire needs to be cut when you're using these ring terminals, so I kind of guesstimate. You know, the longer you take measuring and staring at it, you could get it really perfect, but I mean, this is pretty good. I could sit here for hours straightening stuff out, but I ain't doing that. I'll be here for weeks. Oh, I was tired of sitting in the console. Wind. Getting there. I am getting there. All right, here we are. I had to de-rig these a little bit. Gonna chop the old battery cable out of here and pull the new stuff through, and then the engines are done, and then I can get back inside the console. Oh. Alright, I got battery cable ran into the engines, both of them. Now I will be crimping new ends on, and whoever put these Suzuki's on, they did rule number 1 of a big no-no, and they just ran little short cables into the bilge and had bus bars in there, and that might work in a regular recreational guy's boat, But someone like Adam, who puts thousands of hours on his boat a year and there's constant salt water everywhere, it was full of corrosion on those bus bars, and he's been having tons of engine voltage issues, and I can almost guarantee that it's from that. So we got fresh new battery cable. Hopefully all his problems are going to be gone for now. Yep, just gotta do that a few more times, and then we can move into the console. I got all the wires ready to snake for the reel outlets, and then I got these ready to snake for nav lights, that forward speaker, and then the fish box pump. Just waiting for Mr. Adam to get here to help me tug and yank, because it's absolutely terrible to do this by myself. You know? Yeah. Yeah, you know. Alright, we're in the console. I'm starting to get all the battery cable for the trolling motor and the engines and the house and everything kind of laid out in here, and lugs put on, and all that fun, beautiful stuff. I'll get the boat powered up today, and then just continue making everything look beautiful. My breakfast. Alright, I'm still doing battery cable. That's how I crimp them. A nice hydraulic crimper. It'd be nice to have an electric one when I do these jobs. I'd probably get them done twice as fast, but them electric crimpers are like $5,000. Maybe one day. Nice. Put a little meat shrink on it, and I gotta do that 1, 2, 3. A bunch. Alright guys, it's not the complete final product of everything, but you're gonna start getting the gist of it all. Alright guys, it's almost there. I gotta do is reel outlets. I gotta run all the power up to here, and then this is gonna be the ground bus bar for the reel outlets. I know it kind of looks like a science experiment in here, but it's kind of tight console for all of the systems that he has in this boat. I barely got the batteries in. I still got to run 3 more wires up forward, and we got to run the wires down from the hardtop, but I'm waiting for Adam and Ryan to get here so we can do that part of the project. Yeah, we're going. I got the engines hooked up. I started the engines today. They still work. I turned on some of the switches that I do have hooked up. You can see the operation. You can see then light up blue. Everything works as it should for the ones that I got hooked up. I don't have this stuff secured yet. I'm gonna get that secured right now so no one comes to steal it. And yeah, just keep connecting stuff. I got all the big cable done today, so it's just some small stuff and buttoning everything up, making sure everything works, and get this guy out of here, man. Oh yeah, look at this thing. I gotta give her a tune-up. Ready? Fun. Oh, I just gotta give her a tune-up. She's good to go. She's got a little trouble idling, and I think the belt's slipping, but this thing's pretty sweet. Thanks for watching.